Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys the most easiest way which you can use to make a lot of money online, okay, just by trading crypto coins. Okay, so and this particular strategy is the most easiest way you can use to make money in crypto space. Okay, so if you have not joined my free Telegram group, the link is down below this video. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Okay, so guys, if you take a look at here, without further ado, let's dive in. Also remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, what I'm teaching you here is how I make money online, okay, on daily basis. So if you also want to be making money the way I make, you want to join me, you can join my VIP group. It costs only about 20 USDT for you to join us. Okay, so now if you take a look at here, I'm at 4-hour time frame. Okay, I'm at 4-hour time frame. So you can see over here that this is 4-hour time frame over here. Okay, so you need to first of all be in 4 hours time frame before you can do what, before you can start this particular trade. Okay, so another second thing which you need to consider over here before you can start this trade is to make sure that you set your Bollinger Band. Okay, let this Bollinger Band be at 33.12. okay, let me go and show you so you can understand what I'm actually talking about. So if you come over to this indicator here, come over to this is Bollinger Band over here. So you click this Bollinger Band, you can see that this is at 33. okay, the length is at 30, the width is at 3. okay, so the rest, which is the last one, which is this particular one which you are seeing over here, that this one will use its hand to be rolling around. Okay, so after that, make sure you are in 4-hour time frame. So what it will be giving you is this one line, the second one, and the middle one. Okay, so what are you going to do? You can see over here now, over here, if I go to my today trade, let me show you over here. So if you come over to this place, so if you come over to my trades today, I want to give you a live analysis of what I'm talking about. So you can see over here that I opened a trade here at 12.88. The price of Trump was at 12.88. okay, then lastly, so after I have actually closed this particular opened this particular trade here at 12.88 price, you can see I closed at 13.99 in price. This is in USDT. okay, so you can now see over here, this is opening and this is closed. So you can now check if I am profitable. Okay, so if you have entered this particular kind of trade with 300 USDT, you will be coming out with a minimum of 9 to 10 USDT in just one trade. So how did I do it? You come over to this chart. So if I have come over to this chart, the first thing I checked was that I came over to this place and find out that the coin was trading below this particular place. Okay, so and the over here you can see I bought. When I saw that there was a green candle, I bought. Okay, that was, you can see the sign over here. Okay, the sign is below here, you can see it here, and this is when I closed. The second major reason why I entered the trade was because I saw a news this morning that, look at this news. So this is a buy news. So and I checked the candlestick where the Bollinger Band was. So the next thing you need to do is to spray that. And how do you do that? You come over to this particular place. From this 4-hour time frame, come down to 15 minutes. That is a must that you will do this before you enter the market, before you buy the coin. So if you now spread out here, that was when I got my entry point. Okay, so the reason why you will need to spread out is to see the right time for the entry for you to buy the coin. So over here, make sure you do not enter the market from 4-hour time frame. Make sure you come over to this 15-minute time frame. Okay, so once you are here, now look at, you will now see clearly why I entered the market, where and what makes me to enter the market. Okay, so over here now you can see that I only bought this particular market when this thing over here, when the Bollinger Band came to this place. Okay, so when it have entered here was the time I bought the market. So you can see over here I exit the market. This is where I exited the market. Okay, always remember that. So now let me show you again. I bought from 1270 something. Okay, you can see it over here. Let me go back to that place so you can see it more clear. So you can see I bought from 1288. I sold at 1239. So that is that for here. Let me go back again. So if you come over to here, the chart, you will find out that this was exactly where I entered this particular market over here. Okay, so after here, this second candle after this particular candle that came to the Bollinger Band was closed with this one here, which closed at green, and now enter another candlestick which was green. Okay, so I now bought at 1288 before it now went to this place. So I sold here. This was exactly where I sold. Okay, this was exactly where I sold. So I made a lot of profit. This is exactly how you can make money in the market. So you can actually join my VIP group if you want to be making more, getting this kind of signals on daily basis, when to enter the market, when to exit it, and make more money for yourself. Okay, so it costs only 20 USDT for you to join my VIP, and you can come for my class if you want to learn how to be, you can trade on yourself on your own and get the signal on your own and enter the market and make money. You can do what? You can join my class. Okay, you can DM me. My contact details is down below this video.